Welcome to the Trello series of data integration tutorials, where we show you how to automatically export data from your favorite apps. Hi, I'm Piotr from Trello. Today I will show you how to set up a Trello to Google Sheets integration. Don't miss out on any of our data integration tutorials. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos. To integrate Trello with Sheets, you'll first need a Trello account. If you don't already have one, then sign up for a free trial right now. No credit card is required. Then, click the Add Importer button. From the list of sources, pick Trello. Then, choose Google Sheets as the destination app and click Proceed. In this video, I will show you how to automatically add new Trello cards to Google Sheets. Let's start by naming the importer. I will go with Annual Summit. Next, click the Connect button. Authorize Trello to import the data on your behalf by clicking the Allow button. With this Google Sheets Trello integration, you can collect board cards, updates to the cards, and checklist items. I'm interested in board cards, so I'll pick this option from the drop-down list. Now, open the Trello board that you want to import the cards from. Copy the page URL and paste it into Trello. Optionally, you can specify the list of columns to fetch for each card, or choose to only collect cards created after a certain date, or, for example, last week. I will skip both sections on this occasion. If you'd like, you can fetch cards from another Trello board right away. To do that, click the Add One More Source button and repeat the earlier steps. Otherwise, jump to the destination settings. Click the Connect button. Then, log into your Google account and approve importing data into your spreadsheets. Back in Trello, choose the spreadsheet for your Google Sheets and Trello integration. Also, choose a sheet for your import. Alternatively, type in a name and Trello will create a sheet for you. The following sections are optional, and I will skip them for now. In the last stage, I will set up a schedule for an automatic data refresh. Switch the toggle on. I want to refresh my data hourly, 9 to 5, 7 days a week. I add Saturday and Sunday to the schedule. I also adjust the time. Everything else looks fine, so I click the Save and Run button. While we're waiting for the importer to finish, if you found this video useful, please like it and share it with others. My import has now finished running, so I can click the View Results button. And here's the result of my Trello Google Sheets integration. Integrate Trello with Sheets in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, Trello has got you covered. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support. Thanks.